Hey everyone, welcome back to Josem Graphics. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning effect in CapCut that will take your photos to the next level. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the CapCut app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can get it for free on the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in, click on New Project to start creating. Select any photo from your library that you want to enhance and click Add. This will bring the photo onto your editing timeline. Tap on the photo in your timeline to select it. This will allow us to add some cool effects. Now, tap on Effects at the bottom of your screen and then select Style from the menu. Scroll through the options and select 3D Zoom. This effect adds an incredible depth to your photo. Make sure to adjust the duration so it covers the entire photo for a smooth effect. Next, head back to the Effects menu and this time, select Video Effects. This will help us add another layer of magic. Scroll down to Nightclub and select White Flash 2. This adds a cool flash effect that makes your image really pop. Go back to Effects once more and select Style. We're going to double up on our 3D Zoom effect for an extra punch, but it's not necessary. Click on 3D Zoom again and watch your photo transform into something truly stunning. This double application of the effect adds a unique dynamic feel to your image. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create an amazing effect in CapCut. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other effects you'd like to see. Until next time, keep creating.